Hey everybody, how you doing today? Hope everything is well for you and yours. Well, I've got an announcement here on the UPS personal vehicle driver job that many of us did this last fall over the holiday crush. They are looking for drivers for the summer of 2020. About a week ago, I got a postcard in the mail from UPS saying that they were going to be looking for drivers during the summer of 2020. Which makes perfect sense with the COVID-19 pandemic going on. A lot of people are at home. A lot of people are shopping from home. So I called my supervisor and left a message on his cell phone. And then today, May 4th, got an email from the Human Resources Department in my area here. And I had to go back onto the UPS jobs portal and refill out the application. Now, the great thing about this was everything that I put in there last November, was there. Pretty much it was to update, say a driver's license change or address change. And pretty much the only thing that I really had to do was check mark all the boxes and the radio buttons certifying that I am this, that, or the other thing. Then I took a picture of my driver's license and mailed that to the Human Resources, and I called her, and they're going to do a background check. That's the standard SOP. So anyway, I asked her, I said, what kind of hours? She really didn't know because it's going to be very hub specific. But in my area here in central Iowa, it will be to help cover the guys on vacation. And plus, they're getting quite a few hours now with everybody shopping on Amazon and shopping, the .com stores. So I'm still going to be doing my lawn mowing business. That is slowly ramping up. It's about that time to really get the yards mowed here in Iowa. Like I said, it's only the 1st of May. I've done several yards a couple times already. We're way ahead of the curve as far as warmth. We're a little short on rain, but it's been unusually warm this spring. So anyway, I'm going to make the best of both worlds here. If I just work a few hours with UPS, then I've got all afternoon and early evening to mow the yards. So anyway, guys and gals that were out there watching these video series that I made last year about the UPS PVD, it's quite possible that in your area they are looking. And if you work for them, I'm guessing you got the same postcard I did. Okay, well, that's about it for today. I just wanted to put that out there in case, somebody else finds it and was looking for some supplemental income. I know a lot of people enjoyed doing that UPS PVD, some of them not so much, but I've got one season, if you will, under my belt. I'll just slip right into it this time. I don't know if I'll be working in my little town like I did last year or working in Ames. The college students are not in Ames, so it might be sporadic hours. Might be 1 or 2 times a week. There might be a week I don't work. That'll work out just fine with my lawn mowing business. So anyway, that's what I've got for you guys. Stay healthy, and we'll talk to you later.